Zeraus Manufacturing is a proud Mexican company made up of a group of professionals passionate about the power of light. The company began in 2014 in the city of Querétaro with the aim of being a high-quality lighting company with a comprehensive strategy that allows us to compete worldwide. We are a manufacturer committed to the best quality in the market, providing specific advice for each client, ensuring the best solution for your project. Our team is constantly working to ensure the implementation of cutting-edge technologies of the manufacturing and design process. Our service is backed by guaranteed delivery times and costs, ensuring distinctive excellence. During our darkest moments, we must focus on seeing the light. We are aware of the challenges and changes in today's world, so Zeraus continues to grow and to innovate to continue to respond to the needs of light, always watching over the health and safety of our team and clients. Our family is made up of professional teams specialized in each of their areas, forming a synergy through commitment, collaboration, and motivation to overcome the challenges that the world demands of us. We do our best work as we transform our industry. Behind the best lighting manufacturer in Mexico, there is a hard-working team of people who make all of this possible. We are very proud of the reputation that we have built over the years. It is a result of the work and commitment of the Zeraus family, along with the trust of our customers. Let's illuminate the world together. The power of light is yours.